Everything seems to be different in summer. A globe appears to contain a cocktail, a pencil turns into a flamingo, glue transforms into a palm tree, and a pen looks like a banana. Make your summer school full of summer vibes with our new bright school supplies. Miss Smith is having a siesta. A cooling cocktail is just what she needs. No, orange juice is not the right thing. She is not going to drink this blue something. Still, we do know what to offer. A globe cocktail, Teacher's World. Cut a hole in a globe using a heated knife. Pour in the cocktail. Decorate it with a strawberry and add a drinking straw. Miss Smith is amazed. She is drinking right from the globe ocean. This is what quenches her thirst. The teacher can dry out the entire planet in a few minutes, but she forgets about the most important thing while enjoying the cocktail. There are extra classes she should run today. Run, teacher, run! The students, Grind and the bashful girl, have come to class. Everyone is present except for the teacher. At last, Miss Smith dashes into the classroom. It's crystal clear that the girls are ready for summer school. Grind has a squared beach towel, and the bashful girl has a flamingo pencil. Draw squares like the ones in a notebook on a white towel using a special fabric marker. Make margins with a red fabric marker. Grind unfolds her summer notebook. You never know, maybe you will have to take a test right on the beach. You have to be ready for everything. And the bashful girl is fascinated with her flamingo. It can turn studying into a summer festival. Bend a wire to get an S letter shape and hot glue it to a big Kinder Surprise container. Attach a pencil leg and cover the construction with pink light clay. Define the bird's head with acrylic paint. Attach pieces of pink feathers to the bird's neck using white glue. Cover the flamingo's body with whole feathers. Make wings out of a few white feathers. Let's make a stand for it. Paint a foam plastic semi-sphere green. When dry, apply white glue and sprinkle with glitter. Stick the pencil into the stand. The girls are deep into summer studying. But Miss Smith kills all the beach vibes. Writing with a bird on a towel? Well, girls, your ideas are pretty crazy. Don't hurt my pink pet! The teacher needs to fasten a note into her notebook, but unfortunately, she is out of glue. It's great that Grind is hurrying up to share her glue with the teacher. Why are you giving me this palm tree? Take a label off a clear liquid glue pen and paint it in brown. Cut a brown foam rubber sheet into rhombs and attach them to the glue pen. Cut off the excess. Cover the top of the cap with a foam rubber sheet circle. Cut halves of palm tree leaves out of a green foam rubber sheet. Hot glue them at an angle and attach to the palm tree. Cover the joining on the leaves with a strip of the green foam rubber and attach a small toy monkey. Cut down the rubber coat near the cap to let it open. Miss Smith doesn't figure out at once what she should do with this palm tree. It's easy, you can glue paper with it. But the teacher comes up with a brilliant idea when she sees the palm tree. The next class will be run outdoors. Excellent idea! But why does the bashful girl alone have to drag that heavy blackboard to the park? It's a real challenge to be a student sometimes. The bashful girl knows that Miss Smith loves fruit. This is why she prepared something special. She combined two things in one: pineapple plus school supplies. I bet Miss Smith falls for the trick. Wrap thick thread around a pencil cup. Make it thicker in the middle so that the stand looks like a barrel. Spray paint it. Draw pineapple peel on a yellow textured foam rubber sheet. Cut out the details. Attach them to the pencil cup. Color the peel with acrylic paint. Cut long triangular leaves out of a green foam rubber sheet and hot glue them to the neck of the cup. Hot glue a few leaves to felt tip pens and put them in the cup. Miss Smith doesn't notice the weird stationery holder at first. She is way too busy. She is picking out a photo for her profile. Finally, she takes a look at the pineapple. A real hunt begins. Miss Smith approaches her prey graciously as an iguana. She is near the target. The precious pineapple is in her hands. Except that it's a trick. She takes pens out instead of a sweet fruit. A total disappointment. The sun is shining right into my eyes. I can't bear this light of knowledge. It's time to put on sunglasses, but not regular ones. I've got special training sunglasses. Cut out a printed text to be of the same shape as the lenses. Attach the text to black cardboard. Put it on the lenses. Miss Smith sees Grind lays away the class. No way! I am reading a book by Shakespeare. The text is just before my eyes. Miss Smith believes it, but she doesn't take into account one thing. It is impossible to read something that closely. The teacher falls for it, and Grind will have a rest for a while. The bashful girl takes a banana out of her pencil case. Well, but the lunch is over. No food is allowed in class. Grind hurries up to tell the teacher about the banana. Take it easy, it's just a pen. Shape yellow light clay into a banana. Define the shape. Insert a ballpoint pen refill into the clay while it is still soft. Color the banana with acrylic paint when it hardens. Miss Smith raises the alarm. But this is not a real banana, it's just a pen. I'm going to take notes as an obedient student instead of eating in class. Miss Smith is puzzled. She has never seen someone writing with a banana, but her neighbor is jealous. Grind keeps all the important notes. I bet she has notes left after her first year at school. Now she needs to attach a new topic paper into her notebook. Okay, take this watermelon. It will help you. Draw a circle on thick cardboard. Cut it out in half. Put a tape dispenser on a semicircle and trace it. Define to imitate a bitten piece and cut it out. Repeat for the other detail. Trace the details with allowances on red felt and cut them out. Make cuts across the edges. Cut off the corners. Hot glue the felt to the cardboard. Cover the entire surface. Fasten the tape dispenser between the halves. Attach parallel light green felt strips to a wide strip of dark green felt. Make it look like a watermelon peel. Mark the cardboard strip on the felt. The strip is of the watermelon piece size. Cut it across the edge and hot glue to the cardboard. Cover the rest with red felt and hot glue the peel to the watermelon. Cover the top with felt-coated cardboard. Add details. At first, Grind refuses. Watermelon is not her cup of tea. But I show her that there is tape hidden inside the fruit. It's so handy. Now all the notes are at their places. And the watermelon is so sweet. You can't resist biting it. Be sure not to tape your teeth. Grind has a sweet peach in her hand. Miss Smith is wondering why the girl doesn't eat it. Cut a fake foam plastic peach in half. Scratch out some of the foam plastic from one half. Color it to be of the same color as peach flesh. Put paper clips in the deepening and cover it with the second fruit half. Miss Smith snatches up the peach. Oops! Paper clips are scattering from the fruit. What did you expect? This is Grind's peach, but the teacher is feeling awkward now, and Grind has to pick up her paper clips all over the desk. The bashful girl knows how to make her friend happy. She's prepared an evergreen baby cactus. It's such a cutie. Draw vertical lines using black and white markers on an elongated green eraser. Add spines on top. Draw spines with a black center on a smaller eraser. Put white dots on another eraser. Attach a small pom-pom, this is a cactus flower, and insert the decorative cactus into a pot with soil. A small cactus on the desk is eye candy, but the bashful girl needs to erase her notes. She quickly takes the cactus out of the soil with her bare hands. Keep calm, it's just an eraser. Grind is disappointed. She hoped that the cacti are real. Did you like our summer school supplies? Then write in your comments into what weird thing you are going to turn your favorite school supply this summer. And don't forget to give your thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so that you don't miss new bright ideas on the Troom Troom channel.